enjoying evening activities, sharing family time and household chores. Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a very important part of daily life, evening activities, specifically focusing on how we can express sharing family time and household chores in English. Family time is a common term used to describe the moments when family members come together to enjoy activities and make memories. Examples could be having dinner together, watching a movie, playing games, or simply having a conversation about the day. Let's look at some sentences you could use. After dinner, we usually watch a movie together. My sister and I often play board games in the evening. We love sitting together and talking about our day. These sentences help to describe a pleasant shared activity with your family. Household chores refer to the tasks we perform around the house. Examples include washing dishes, sweeping the floor, or doing laundry. It's important to know how to express these actions in English. Here are a few sentences. I usually do the dishes after we finish our meal. My brother takes out the trash every evening. We take turns doing laundry in our house. Each of these sentences includes an action, the chore, and who does it, showing a clear image of responsibility. It's also good to talk about how family members help each other and share responsibilities. This allows us to create a sense of cooperation and unity. Try using these sentences. I help my dad clean up the kitchen after dinner. My mom and I share the task of folding the laundry. On weekends, we all pitch in to clean the house. In these sentences, we're emphasizing the act of helping and sharing tasks, making the chores seem like less of a burden. Lastly, you might find yourself needing to ask someone to help with a chore. In English, we often use polite requests. Here are a few examples. Could you help me with the dishes, please? Would you mind setting the table for dinner? Can you please take out the trash? These sentences are all polite ways to ask for help with household tasks. And that's it for today's lesson on sharing family time and household chores in the evening. I hope these phrases and examples help you express your daily routines more accurately in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these sentences and make them part of your daily English conversations. See you in the next lesson.